Hello my dear, welcome back to another video of Kusina ni Chef Nick. And today's recipe is about canapé. Yes, and we're going to taste this. And this is from group Group 1. Okay, so let's try if it is delicious or aroy ma. Hello my dear, welcome back to another episode of Kusina ni Chef Nick, and today I'm going to teach you a quick and easy recipe, canapé. Okay, and so I invited my students to cook with me. When we say canapé, it is a small piece of bread with savory fillings on top. And here are the ingredients. So let's start, and here are the procedures. First thing first, you have to devein the shrimp, take out the shell, and remove the black veins at the back. Make sure that you will take off the head and leave the tail and wash properly. And do the same procedure with the rest of the shrimps. In a baking sheet, layer bread, tomato, and shrimp on the top. Make sure that the tail is pointing upward to have height, and it will be more attractive when you serve to the passengers. And then drop the finely chopped garlic around the shrimp. Do the same procedure with the rest of our layered canapés. Drizzle some freshly ground pepper and salt to taste. To evenly spread the pepper, make sure that you will drizzle a little bit higher. And it's about time to top on the generous amount of mozzarella cheese. And lastly, drop some amount of olive oil. And make some finishing touches by brushing some amount of olive oil and pepper. Okay, it's good to go inside the oven, and it's time for baking. If you have excess breads, you can make garlic bread by using butter, garlic, and chopped parsley. bake from 4 minutes to 10 minutes maximum, depends on how large your shrimps are.
Wow!
Smells good. Before taking out from the oven, make sure that the large shrimps are properly cooked. And there you go! This is our quick and easy recipe, layer of tomatoes, prawns, and cheese on baguette French bread. Let the canapé rest for a few minutes so the bread will be firm before serving.
Look good ไหมคะ Beautiful Beautiful Beautiful
And here are the finished products.
All is called La Comida in family in Canada.
La comida,
La Comida
la comida
in familia
in familia
in Canada.
in Taradet. I cannot remember. I cannot remember. Hi.
Wow!
It's refreshing and delicious. It made you eat more and more and more. Okay. Very good. So we need the height actually. So it will be like it will be more attractive when the cabin crew will serve that to the passenger. Okay. However, this one is
It's not French.
like pointing outside the plate. It should be moved inside because when you're going to hold this and serve, look at that. I can touch the garnish that you have here. Okay, so you have to move. Get one to eat. What can you say? Delicious? Are you sure? He said delicious because he cooked this. He said delicious because he cooked this. He said delicious because he cooked this. Okay. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Nick Trinidad on YouTube.